What operation, huh? To start cutting.
2 other companies looked at this job and said we couldn't do it. Further away than our truck can reach, I give Mitch a call and
make a good team. Preparing to cut this big Poinciana in the back, and all of those houses are very, very valuable, you know, very, very expensive. So we have to be very, very careful. Should be an interesting day for sure. It's a Poinciana. It's also very, very brittle tree, so it breaks really easily. It's sick and it has to be removed. It became a hazard now. The tree, I don't think is that far. The problem is 2-story building. We have to go upward far and then we have to swing it and drop it right here. It's a very tight setup, very close to the building, and good to see you. So Nick is cutting back these trees here about the driveway, so he's creating more space for us crane out to reach over the house, and then we have to protect this driveway a little better. See, there is some cracks already here, so we have to put a lot of protective mats and stuff, then we back in. I think we need to use slings, huh?
I'm okay with it.
I'll reach out and then we're gonna know much more.
Got it.
Cool, cool, cool.
Opening the vortex. Start the countdown.
I'm ready. Should be fine.
I'm ready. Slow.
Right?
Yeah.
5, 4.
Tension?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Awesome, man. That was it.
More pressure next time. Hold on. I'm still tied in.
Okay.
Yeah, it did. Everett. Okay, Mitch.
Or once you start cutting, but it's not too big. These branches should hold there, right?
There's a little more log,
Okay.
but I think
It's about the same, right?
It's about the same.
Perfect pick. How smooth was that?
Let me get down. Hey, thank you.
Should go a little faster now.
Hey.
Mission log 2050-01. The entire population is under sleep. Oxygen levels are normal. We're arriving at the destination. 5, 4, 3.
Does it have that? Can the charge? I mean, yeah. Right.
Three different arborists, including myself, looked at this tree. They believed it had an imminent likelihood of failure.
Yeah, otherwise, you know, we could climb the tree, rope it down if it's far away for the crane, but this one was very tricky because it was sick. And if you try to, you know, do any like big cuts, rope it down, jerk it a much, entire tree could flip over or something, right?
Yeah, that load from the rigging could cause it to fail with the climber in it, so 2 other companies looked at this job and said we couldn't do it. Further away than our truck can reach, I give Mitch a call, and every time I'm very happy with how things go.
Yeah, we make a good team. Awesome, thank you, sir. Thank you, Nick.